So, welcome back, kings and queens. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. And I just wanted to show you today how I do some of my mock-ups. So, I'm in Canva. I created some designs, and you'll see in my thumbnails, it's basically mock-ups of different things that I'm doing. So right now, I'm just going to look for some items in Canva. I do a lot of mug designs and things like that, and I'm going to have to move it around because my screen is now locked. So I'm in Canva. I'm in the section that says photos, and this is one of the designs that I found, and so you'll see that in one of my thumbnail videos. So I'm just going to click on that, and then I'm going to mess around in my uploads. Let's see, is it uploads or elements? Alright, should be my upload, but I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. So let me hit this back arrow up top. There we go. So this allows me to see my PNG files. So I'm gonna grab one of my men because, like I said in my last video, my husband's always telling me I need to do more designs for men. So I'm gonna grab one of my men. I shrunk him down, and I'm just adding him to the front of this cup. I'm going to enlarge my screen just so you guys can see what I'm doing here, and so I can see better what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to shrink him down some more because this is what I will want him to look like on a cup. And so if you want to add some text, just hit your text box. And obviously I want my text to be smaller. I'm saying obviously, but maybe it's not obvious for some people. I want my text to be smaller, simply because I want it to look like the actual design that how the cup would appear. So let me use name Justin, and that will look like a personalized cup. Now if you know something will look different with your cup, you want it larger, you want your font larger, we can make the name larger. We can flip it on the side like I was doing in my last video, and we can add this here. Now hold on guys, my daughter's doing her homework and needs help. Alright, so I'm going to enlarge my font a little bit, and I'm just hitting the enlarge button. Yep. Sorry guys, I'm hitting the enlarge button. I am doing this here, and I'm going to try to change the font to match the color in the cup. Now that's one of the things I love about Canva, that it gives you the coordinating colors with the photo. Recording. I'm recording. It gives you the coordinating colors, so you can do that. You can do that, and it's just changing everything. I kind of like the brighter color. That's just me. But anyway, that's how you create a mock-up design. Now you can do this as sublimation. You can do it as water slide. This is the mock-up photo. But if you actually wanted to create this image, all you would have to do is remove this background here, delete that out, and now you have the image here that you can print on your sublimation paper, you can print on your water slide, whatever you need to do, or your journals, or whatever, however you want to use it. But then you have that there, and boom, it's back for your mock-up. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.